So let me just go through that once, the schedule. That's something that I should have done. Okay, the link I have already given. You can all go there. So this is date-wise, 18th, 19th, 20th. You can see that we are about half an hour late. But then as I told you earlier, you'll have less time for lunch today. At 5 o'clock we end. You can see quite a few spoken tutorial based sessions, and then there will be a popular talk in the evening on DWSIM flow sheeting, custom modeling, and lab migration project, how you can participate in this. And then overnight work is to complete the practice problems. Okay. Then tomorrow, the actual workshop will start at 10 o'clock. In fact, I'll be giving this talk, DWSIM Open Modelica comparison. But before that, there is an optional session, discussion on practice problems at 9:30 tomorrow, right? This is for people who attempted the problems not completed today. You tried and you had difficulty and you need some help, we'll be happy to help. So this session will start at 9:30 tomorrow. We are meeting half an hour earlier to help people who might have difficulty. Then we have spoken tutorial sessions. Here, equilibrium reactor, heat exchanger, and so on. And then at 2 o'clock, this is flow sheet simulation case study 1. Then Dr. Narain will talk once again tomorrow on this topic. Then we have one more spoken tutorial session. And then at 4 o'clock, it's an important talk, compound creation tool in DWSIM. How does one introduce a new compound? This is important because sometimes you might have some extra information about the chemical, but it might be proprietary information known only to you. You can create a new chemical and put it there, use it in your company, for example. The same thing overnight, you have popular talk is there, benefits of contribution to FOSSEE's DWSIM. Why should you contribute to this effort? That's a popular talk. And then we'll complete the practice problems. So we have a mix of live sessions, spoken tutorials, and then this is a case study problem because we have 195 flow sheets already available. So we have many of them. We can talk about it. And this is a live session, compound creation tool. And then on 20th, once again at 9:30, we start with a discussion on practice problems, which is optional once again. Then we go to distillation, both shortcut and rigorous, and then sensitivity analysis and adjust. And then we will conduct a live session on data regression tool in DWSIM. We have my senior colleague, Professor Malik, who is actually the expert in process simulation in flow sheeting at IIT Bombay. Professor Malik is going to talk about do's and don'ts in process simulation. And then we will have a case study, and then we have a live session using CAPE Open Objects and DWSIM. By the way, this is all on Saturday. Then how does one promote DWSIM in colleges? Your feedback and so on. So we close at 5 o'clock. So this is the schedule. If there are any questions, one of us will be happy to answer. And otherwise, we can get started with installing DWSIM and also downloading the offline version of the software. Over to you, Priyam.
So probably in the guideline email that we sent yesterday, we had shared the links of the installation sheet, the offline version of spoken tutorial. So hopefully you all have downloaded that. If anyone has not been able to download or have faced trouble in installing, please let us know so that we resolve it right away, and then we get started with the workshop.
So if anyone has not installed DWSIM, please post it on the chat. Similarly, if anyone has not downloaded the spoken tutorials, please post it on the chat. We'll be happy to help you. Update the software means, you mean, have you downloaded Janga Venkatesh?
Yes, sir, I'm using since 1 year. Just I want to know how to update. Each time I'm uninstalling the software and updating the new version. Any tool to direct update of
Ah.
the software.
Yeah. Venkatesh, where are you from?
Sir, IIT Ropar.
IIT Ropar. Yeah. So Priyam, please answer.
Yeah. So right now it's not possible to update it directly from the software itself, because earlier we had that feature when we were using, when Daniel had till version 4, that feature was there to update the version directly from the software. But now we have to first uninstall and then reinstall. But I assume that that process is not a very difficult process. It's an easy process. It just takes somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes to uninstall and reinstall the thing once again. So in case you want to update it to the latest version, which we definitely recommend, please uninstall the current version of DWSim, and then you can download and install the latest one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So someone has asked about the link for DWSim. So let me just post that in the chat. Give me a minute. So what I've posted currently is the installation sheet, which will give you the link and everything. It will guide you how to install as well. So if you just open the link, you will get the step-by-step process and the exact link on installing DWSim, depending on the operating system that you are using.
Use the link that Priyam has given. Yeah, the link given by Raphael is also okay, but it'll take you to the page directly. So you can say what windows you want. Yeah, the last link will also work. Only thing is the link given by Priyam has some extra information on installation. That's all.
So I assume that everyone has got the has downloaded the offline spoken tutorials for DWSim.
Is there anybody who has not done either? Does anybody need help? So Karan Saxena has written this. Just answer that question, Priyam.
Yes, sir. So Karan, I think version 6 will also work fine for you. What operating system are you using? Oh, Windows 10. I don't think it will create any trouble. It's okay. I think we can continue. If at any point you face an issue, we can figure it out then. Otherwise, I think this will work fine actually. Yes, Professor Miguel, we can use version 6.4.2. Yes, that's fine. So now that all of you have the software DWSim installed and you have the offline version of spoken tutorial also with you, let's start with the first tutorial for the day, which is creating a material stream using DWSim. All right. So let me once share my screen and once again give you once again just show you as to how you can access the offline version, downloaded version, and then you can follow that. Once you have downloaded the offline version of Spoken, you have this file called Spoken. Once you extract, you see the folder called Spoken. So you go inside Spoken, and then you have this index.html file. So as Professor Kannan mentioned earlier, do not open this file with Internet Explorer. You can use either Chrome or Firefox. All right. So I'm opening this using Chrome. So as I open this file using Chrome, I have it asks for the first category, and I can see DWSim there, and then it asks for the language where I select English, and then I submit that. So once I submit that, you have all the 20 tutorials. So we'll start with the first tutorial, which is creating a material stream in DWSim. So you can either start on clicking on this, or I am opening it in a new tab. So that is easy for me. So as you see, these are the tutorials here. So you can either click here directly and start watching the tutorial, or you can open it in a new link. Let the list be there in one tab, and then in a new tab, you can open the first tutorial, which is creating a material stream, and start watching the tutorial, and also practice it side by side, as it was mentioned earlier by Professor Kannan. Okay. So any questions regarding the tutorial, we will encourage you to go to Spoken Tutorial forum and post your questions there. Our team is actively monitoring all the questions that are being posted on the forum, so that same questions need not be asked again and again over chat. In case you have a doubt, it might happen that that question is already answered and you can just see the answer. And if you don't see an answer to a particular tutorial, then if you don't see the answer for a question in a particular tutorial, then you can ask that question in the Spoken Tutorial forum.
So this can be muted, right? Can they practice the Spoken Tutorial without simultaneously with the Zoom on, or they have to close Zoom and then get started?
I think they can do it simultaneously also. I don't think that
But they may want to do
necessary.
it, but they may not want to listen to you, right?
So they can mute, there is an option. They can mute the Zoom meeting and they can view the tutorials.
Mute means from my side it goes, but I don't want to hear from you, Zoom also.
So if they have installed Zoom app now, so on the Zoom app, there is a button. If they are not using it from the browser, it's that facility is available on the app. So there is a speaker button on the left side corner on the top left,
Okay.
and that they can mute actually.
Yeah, maybe I don't, maybe it is not there on the Mac. Ah, it is there.
So, Chetan, you don't have the option of opening with when you right click on the index.html file.
No, sir. Actually, that download.zip file is opening, and that in that index.html directly Internet Explorer.
So, have you extracted that zip file first of all?
Maybe he doesn't have Firefox or Chrome. He has to
Ah.
install that first on his machine.
He says he has Chrome.
I have Chrome, sir.
You have Chrome? Okay, then it should work. Right click and then it should say,
Extract to what means this PC I should do. Actually, I have not extracted, I think.
you have to extract.
Yes, you have to extract. Yeah, right.
Sir, how to do that? Extract means extract to. Then there is option extract and replace files, extract and update files. What to select?
Can you just share your screen once, Chetan?
Could you see my screen, sir?
Yes, Chetan. Now I can see your screen.
So see this, I have downloaded this download.zip. Then should I click on that extract to?
No. Hold on. Close this.
Yeah.
Just open the folder where the zip file is there.
So this, okay, in downloads. Okay.
Yes. Go to downloads.
So see this downloads.
So just right click on that and say extract to download. Is this the correct file? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
299 MB. Yes.
So you see that index file at the top?
Index
At the top.
file.
Yeah, just right click on that.
Yeah.
Not that. There's an index file.
Sorry.
Click on that spoken. Yeah, click on that spoken folder. Right click on that index file. Right click on that. First click on the index and then right click. Yeah. Now right click. Open with Google
Chrome.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
So you can select the
Should I
first
stop
category.
sharing?
You can stop. Just select the category and see if you're able to see the tutorial. It's not there in the top first drop down. Yeah. PWSim.
Yeah.
And then select the language English and submit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can now start watching the first tutorial.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Getting a material stream. Yeah.